Hi friends, welcome back to Thought to Say channel. In this channel, we are posting a lot of funny video tasks and sharing our experience to all you guys. If you're not yet subscribed our channel, feel free to subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon and hit the like button. Okay, let me go and start with the today's task. I'm also so excited to see what is inside it. Let me open it up. Okay. Hi dude, hope you know how to zip. Yeah, everyone knows how to zip, right? Quite interesting. We'll see what is inside it. Cool. Hey dude, I hope you are aware of zipper. Yeah, I know. I will give you 4 different color zips. You need to choose 2 and you need to break it up. I want you to fix those broken zips in 8 minutes. Good luck. Oh my god, they wanted to break the zipper and we need to fix that too. I'm not aware of that. How we can do that? Probably. Let me open the box now. Cool. Tan. Yeah. As the letter says, we got 4 different color zippers. Let me close the container and keep it away for a while. And let me place the zips. Oh wow, it's a blue and it's a light green. It's a brown. It's a dark green. Wow. We have 4 different color zips. So first we need to choose 2. Let me take the green and the blue. Let me keep this 2 remaining here. Okay. Yeah, we have 2 zips now. Cool. The thing is, you need to choose a 2 and you need to break it up. First we need to break this up. How we can do this? Okay, break it up. I wanted those broken zips in 8 minutes. Okay, let me take the timer now. So I think we need to yeah, first let me check this. So okay, fine or not. Yeah, this is fine. And this is the next one. Cool. So we have 2 zips now. We need to break it and we need to fix it. Cool. Let me take the timer now. Okay, let me start the timer now. Okay, first how we can break this? Okay, here we have the pens. Let me take the scissor now. Or else we can cut this out. Okay, here's the lock. I think we can remove the lock. Yeah, let me try to remove this now. Be careful. Oh, let me it's quite hard to pick. Okay, how we can do this? Any idea, guys? Just post it in the comment box if you have any different ideas to open this. Cool. Let me take this. This won't work. Cool, we crossed 1.5 minutes. That is fine. Yeah, we got it. Okay, this is done. Probably we can do it with this here. Okay, no worries. We can cut this out. This is quite easiest way. Cool. Now if you break it, stand. Now it's broken into this and this is out. Okay, let me start fixing this now. Okay, done. So this is the edge, right? So this is quite simple. Okay, just take this and you can place it in, and the same time you need to place it same here as well. But come on, so for a single one it is going right. Yeah, but it's not coming back. Come on, let me try this route. Okay. It is really hard to fix this, guys. I thought it is easy one. Okay, no worries. At least we can try it, right? Okay, that's the first one. I placed it. Cool. Let me take up the second one. Okay. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, then we can do it evenly. Okay, now let me try to fix this, the one first. Yeah, this one came in, and now let me give the second one into it. Yep. Okay. No, now we can adjust this. Just place it here, and you can go all the way. Cool. You saw this? Wonderful. Dun. I fixed it now. It's quite hard, okay, but you can try in your house too. Cool, we got kind of minute. Okay, we completed the green one. Let me take the blue one. So right away we can cut it up because you don't need to spend much time on this like the green. Okay. Yeah, we only have 2 more minutes. Cool. I'm just break this down. Okay, come with me, we will fix it in a minute. Okay, we are running out of time, we need to do it quickly. Cool. Yeah, so this is the one. Okay. First do the one alone and try it whether it is going or not. The runner is working fine or not. We need to check with the single one. No, it is not accepting. Then I can try in this. No. Oh my god. Yeah. For single run it is accepting. Okay, now it is fine. Now we can take the second one. Yeah. We are already in 11th minute. Come on. So we need to give some attention here to make this, bring this in. Okay. Yep. Come on. Some water. Or yeah, it is coming. Oh my god. Stop. We are running out of time, okay? But anyway, let me fix this. Yeah. We will never accept the failure, right? Keep on trying and we'll crack this now. Okay, cool. Now it is inserted properly. Okay, we can. I have another way. Just enlarge this for a while. Okay. You see, this is not opening it. But my scissors are broken in the edge. Anyway, that's fine. Okay, cool. Let me fix this. No worries. Okay, let me first add this now. Okay. Okay, I think the blue, we did something. Cut one more edge as well. Okay, cool. Now we can try. Okay. Why it is not coming inside? What is breaking into it? Okay, that is fine. This side, they just all getting broken. Come on. Got all my chance now. Or else what we can do, we can open it up. Yeah, that's what we tried, but it is not allowing. Okay, it's quite hard to insert this side. Okay, that's why it is not coming here as well, but this side it is fine, and this edge it is allowing to get in. Okay, but the problem is with the left side. If you go ahead with this, yeah, this is allowing, right? Yeah, now okay, we are crossed some more minutes now. And it's really stiff as well. Then fine. So anyway, we lost this challenge, but fine. But we fixed one zip, right? We just unzipped and we just zipped this. We did 1 and 8 minutes. Guys, I hope we enjoyed this video. And if you have any comments or any suggestions or any feedback related to this video, please feel free and post in our comment box, and we are happy to follow your feedbacks and comments, guys. So if you're not a subscriber to our channel, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to hit the like button. And please see you in the next video, guys. Love you guys. Bye.